You made it to the final page. We have ourselves a riddle, so we know our answers are going to tell us what letter to put in the riddle. If you want to solve the question, why did the clock get in trouble during reading class? But the main thing here is, again, we're going to convert some fractions into decimals, but this time, these are mixed numbers. We talked about this the other day. If you have a fraction with a big number in front of the fraction, that's called a mixed number, and it's mixed because it tells you how many whole things you have and then how many parts of a whole you have. So here we have 3 whole things. So maybe I have 3 chocolate bars, who knows, but I'm just going to put a 3 here in my ones column because I have 3 whole things, and then I'm going to use a decimal. And I'm going to figure out what 42 over 1,000 is. Now, we practiced converting decimals, all clear. We practiced converting decimals or fractions into decimals by taking the top number, using the divide operation, and dividing it into the bottom number. And we get decimal 0.42. Now, we have a 0 here, but we know that we actually have a 3 there because of the mixed number. So what I want to make sure I copy down is the 0. That 0 is really important. It's a big difference. 42. 0.42. Let's try another one. We have 8 and then 6/10. So we have 8. And then we can use our calculator. All clear. To figure out 6 divided by 10 is decimal 6. So it's going to be 8 decimal 6. So when we divide our fraction together, it's telling us what to put after the decimal. And the number in front tells us what to put before the decimal. So if I jump down to 93 and 46/100ths, well, that 93 is going to go in front of the decimal. And then 46 over 100. All clear. 46 divided by 100 equals decimal 46. So it's actually going to be 93 decimal 46. And if I pop down here to my answer, 93 decimal 46 is going to give me O. Eight decimal 6 gives me E. And I think that's a T. 3 decimal 0.42 gives me a T. Okay. You'll notice that all the fractions are they all have similar denominators. Their denominator is either 1,000, 10, or 100. And I wonder if you'll find a pattern with how you, what the answer is when you divide your numbers. When you divide by 1,000, I think you'll notice a pattern. When you divide by 10, you'll notice a pattern. When you divide by 100. But feel free to use the calculator and work your way through this page. Great job if you made it this far. Kudos to you. If you watched all the way to the end of this video, ask Mr. Davis for $1.